Why do e-commerce businesses need a WhatsApp conversational marketing agency? This is one question I keep getting during my sales call with the e-commerce clients. They say, you know what, there are so many softwares available in the market. We can go ahead and buy them and implement things on our own. Why do we need a conversational marketing agency? That question, my friends, is what I'm going to answer in this video head on, and detailing you all the things, all the background work that goes behind setting up a fantastic WhatsApp conversational marketing suite for an e-commerce agency. Welcome to Alpha Marketer. My name is Anthony and I'm your host for today's episode of the Conversational Marketing Show. We are entering episode number 9. This is your go-to show to become a WhatsApp conversational marketing expert and turn those conversations into conversions. Now, first, let's understand this basic question: why we need an agency, right? There's so many tools available out there. There's Interact, Zoco, AI Sensei, Vati, Hello Messenger, Line Chat, you name it, there are tools, okay? Now, this question is similar to this thing, right? We have access to Facebook Business Manager, so we can run Facebook ads. Then why do you need a Facebook marketing agency, right? We have access to tools like ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo, MailChimp, so you can go ahead and buy those softwares. Then why do you need an email marketing agency? Okay, so if you think that you have the expertise to do it in-house, do it in-house. But if you think you need that expert intervention to build a conversational flow for your business, that's when you need to hire a WhatsApp conversational marketing agency. Okay, let me explain this to you with a simple example. So it is not always about the tool. Okay, if tool is the reason to grow a business, then anybody having a Shopify store should be a unicorn e-commerce business. That's not how it happens, right? Tool is not the one that is solving the problem here. Simple example, you have platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We all have accounts on these platforms. It is free to have an account. Does that mean that we are all influencers? No. There are billions of people who have account in these platforms, but only 0.1% people are actually influencers who create content regularly, who create content that resonates with people, and they accumulate a good fan following. Very simple example, this is Jay Shetty. Okay, he is an influencer. He has millions of people following him on all across the social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Twitter. Okay, now he does a lot of things that makes him stand out. That is what is attracting people to follow him, right? Similarly, as a brand, you need to think about WhatsApp conversational marketing. It's not the tool. You need to implement certain strategies, certain expertise in having conversation with people. That's when you can turn those conversations into conversions, right? Now, so how do people like Jay Shetty or any influencer make that platform, that Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, to work in favor of them? How do they convert those followers into transactions, followers into money? Okay, so 3-step process. First, they understand the target audience very well. Only when they understand those target audience, they can create content, the message that resonates with them. Okay, so only if the message resonates with people, they start following them, right? Then they also actively engage in conversations with the audience. Okay, that is the reason they will run a lot of contests, a lot of polls. They will ask people to comment on their videos. They will ask people to comment on their posts. They will ask feedback. A lot of two-way conversation starts happening in these platforms, whether it is YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. That is how they engage people and get close to their audience. That's when trust is built. That's when they can finally encash that into maybe a brand endorsement, or by selling a product or getting a speaking engagement. Likewise, they monetize those followership into transactions. Okay. Similarly, we as a conversational marketing agency, what do? Okay, when we sign up a e-commerce client, we understand your business, we understand your website, we understand your messaging, we understand your ads. Okay, so that we understand your audience. Okay, this is super important. There is a lot of research that goes behind understanding your audience. Okay, next we start crafting the conversations. Okay, the conversations that people need to have with your brand. Okay, we literally build your website content within a chatbot conversation. People, instead of going to your website and reading a boring lengthy sales page, they can start having conversations with your WhatsApp account. Okay, they can have small conversations and get to know your product in a much more engaging conversational manner. So that conversations we create. Okay, we go and do all the copywriting so that people have a very nice conversational experience. Now this is an art and science, okay, of copywriting to build these conversations. And once the conversations are built, we automate that as a chatbot. Okay, that is where we come in. That's where our expertise lies in, wherein we architect the entire conversational engine for your business. Okay, then the last step is, now we invite your prospective customers and your existing customers to have conversations with your brand through WhatsApp. This is a 3-step process. Okay, now how do we do it? To make it easy, let me pictorially explain this. So first we build the conversational flows. Okay, we understand your audience, we get to know your products, and we try to bring those products and the questions and sales objections regarding those products in the form of conversational flows. That's the chatbots, and we make it into a kind of an automated chatbot which will reply 24/7 and prospect your customers. Okay, now once we built in this conversational flow, this chatbots, now it's time to acquire customers. Okay, this is the heart of the entire system. Okay, now for acquiring customers, what we'll do is we have done the setup. Now you can ask your performance marketing agency or your in-house team that is running ads to run ads which will open WhatsApp directly. We call this as a click to chat ads. Within Facebook, there's an option where people can see your ad, click, and it will open directly inside WhatsApp. Okay, so you can take your traffic, send them to your WhatsApp account, and the chatbot will start educating people about your product. And once they get all the information, they can also buy the product directly from WhatsApp. That can be done. So that's how you start engaging with your audience. That's how we invite people to engage with your brand on WhatsApp. Okay, second thing, you can add a chat button on your existing website. Like when you run ads, people come to your site, and if they have questions, they can click on the button and start a chat conversation with your brand. Okay, again, the bots will do the job, they will do the heavy lifting, they will answer all the FAQs, they will literally sell the product to the prospective customers. Okay, but there will be instances where there are some questions which the bots cannot answer, which can be taken over by a human being, and they can solve the queries. Okay, next we can trigger the cart abandonment messages. Okay, so cart abandonment, very big problem in typical e-commerce businesses. So there is approximately 80 to 85% of carts are abandoned. Okay, so when people come to your page, they see the product, they click on the buy now button, they fill in all the information, name, email, address, everything is done, but last minute they kind of fizzle out and don't make the payment. Those people, automatically the system will deduct. Of course, the software we're using is going to help in that, and we can send an automated message which says that you have left the products in your cart, why don't you go and complete the purchase. Okay, if required, we can even give some additional discount to complete the purchase, and there is a link. Okay, now this link is pre-filled. Okay, since we have integration with Shopify and WooCommerce, you can actually bring in all the information that the customer has filled in and pre-fill the cart page. So one click, they go to the cart page with all the pre-filled information, and they can make the purchase then and there. It's a one-click purchase. Okay, and it has a very, very high conversion rate. Okay, this is how we make extra money for the e-commerce client. Then now comes the repeat orders. Okay, now for your existing customers, we again invite them to start interacting with the conversational flow that we have built in so that they can buy more again from your store. How do we do it? We start with an order confirmation plus welcome message. Whenever somebody makes an order, when they make a purchase, automatically an order confirmation message is sent through WhatsApp. You might be sending it already with email or SMS, but they are one-way communication. With WhatsApp, it's a two-way communication because we send a message and we then invite them to explore your WhatsApp store. Okay, so that they can, from that message, there'll be buttons which they can click and check the other products that you have on your store. Okay, that's how you start the conversation. Okay, that way your existing customers will explore more and more products and end up buying more and more products. Okay, so from next time, your customers need not go to Google and find your website. They can just open WhatsApp and start buying products from your WhatsApp store. Imagine how powerful is that. This is a great way to increase your average order value and LTV. Okay, then we can also send shipping notifications via WhatsApp, and when we do that, again we invite them to chat with the conversational flow that we have created. Again, more opportunity for them to explore the products and buy more. Okay, then we can also send a feedback broadcast messages. Okay, so very simple concept. Every month we take the past customer data, the ones who ordered 1 month before, and upload them onto WhatsApp interface to the software, send them a message asking for feedback. Okay, so the feedback for that will give buttons like I like the product, I love the product, or I don't like the product. The beauty of this is when you give people a button, people have a high chance of clicking on that button. So when they give any positive response saying that I like the product or I love the product, immediately we will trigger a chatbot sequence which will reply saying that thanks for the feedback, and since you're a very happy customer, why not stock more products? At then and there we actually upsell more products. There will be a link, they click and they go and buy. Okay, great additional revenue opportunity, isn't it? Right? So that is something, that's a campaign that we run every single month for your e-commerce store. Same like an email marketing company which runs campaigns every month, we run WhatsApp broadcast campaigns for your business. Okay, then we have something called as a permission broadcasting. It's very similar to your occasion based sale. Like for Diwali you can run a sale, for Christmas you can run a sale, for New Year you can run a sale. So for that we create powerful offers, we do the copywriting for it, and we send a broadcast message and invite people to participate in your offers and take that offers. Okay, so it's all about building conversations with your customers, and that's our expertise. That's what we do as an agency. So lastly, in terms of customer service, you will also have a lot of frequently asked questions regarding where is your order, and maybe there are some frequently asked questions as to how to use the product, or if they have any damage or anything, the customer service queries will start coming in. Okay, even for that we can create a conversational chat flow which will handle the frequently asked questions, which will help them with the tracking ID and tracking link so that people can go and track their orders. So even that can be done by us. Okay, so again, for all these things we are going to use softwares, but there needs to be somebody who can sit and think about the whole process, do copywriting for it, and do the heavy lifting for you. That's what a conversational marketing agency does. Okay, so if you think you can do all these things by yourself, you have the expertise, then please do it. If you need an expert guidance, you need people who are experts who do this day in and day out to execute this for you, then you can hire a conversational marketing agency like us. Okay, so if you want to hire us as an agency for doing the entire marketing suite for your e-commerce business, then go to this link alphamarketer.in/chat. Okay, if you want to learn WhatsApp marketing from us also, no problem, go to this link alphamarketer.in/chat. You'll be welcomed by my own personal sales chatbot on WhatsApp. It will guide you to the whole process. You can either book a meeting to hire us, or you can join our mentorship program and learn about WhatsApp marketing. Okay, alternatively you can even send a WhatsApp message, just say hi to this number +91, that's a country code for India, 733-884-2395. right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. It will greatly motivate me to create more and more videos and help you grow your business with the power of conversations. Thank you so much and bye bye.